Hi, I need my suit cleaned before my meeting tomorrow morning. Do you offer laundry service?
Yes, we do. We provide same-day dry cleaning, but the cutoff time is 4 p.m.
That's perfect. Do I need to fill out a laundry form?
Yes. Just list the items you're sending and leave them in the laundry bag in your room.
Great. Do you know when I'll get them back?
Your clothes will be ready by 8 a.m. tomorrow. If you need them earlier, I can check with housekeeping.
No, that's fine. I'll leave them in my room now. Thanks for your help.
David, we have an issue in room 218. The guest asked for extra towels and toiletries, but when I got there, they also mentioned that their mini fridge isn't working.
Did you check if it's plugged in? Sometimes they get unplugged accidentally.
I did, but it's still not working.
We need to fix that before tonight. If we don't, the guests might ask for a room change.
Let's send maintenance to check on it. Meanwhile, Emma, make sure they get their extra towels and toiletries right away.
Will do. Housekeeping always keeps extra supplies, so I'll grab them now.
If maintenance can't fix the mini fridge, let's offer them a small discount.
Hi, I need a taxi service to the airport tomorrow morning. Can I book it now?
Of course. What time is your flight?
My flight is at 9:30 a.m., so I should leave the hotel around 7:30 a.m.
That's a good time. I'll arrange a hotel shuttle or a private car service. Which do you prefer?
Private car service would be great.
No problem. I'll schedule the car service and have the driver wait outside the main entrance at 7:30 a.m.
That's perfect. Can I pay now or to the driver?
You can pay directly to the driver. I'll send a confirmation to your room shortly.
Thank you.
Hi, I have a reservation, but I arrived later than expected. I hope my room is still available.
No worries, Mr. Thompson. Let me find your booking details.
Thanks. My flight got delayed, so I was worried about my late check-in.
We hold all confirmed reservations until midnight, so you're fine. You booked a king-size room, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Here's your room key. Would you like help with your luggage?
No, I'm fine. I just need some sleep after that flight.
I understand. If you need anything, room service is available until 11 p.m.
Great. Thanks for your help.